Welcome to the Netiquette Next. In today's amazing video, I will be telling you how we can use our website and what is the interface, what is the dashboard of our website we create with WordPress and XAMPP. Firstly, in previous video, I have told you how we can download and install the XAMPP. Now we should go to the start menu and search here the XAMPP. Here we go to the all apps, and somewhere here we have the XAMPP, which is here is the XAMPP, and we shall go to its control panel, and then we can start the modules we want. It is being processed. We want Apache and MySQL, so we are going to start them. Here we have started them. We are admin, and from this point we can close it. And now XAMPP is being shown here. The control panel of the XAMPP is being shown here. Here we go to the browser. To open our web, we shall write here the localhost / and then we have written our web name, that was tech vlog -wp admin. Here we go, wp / wp -admin. Here we go. It is being processed. Here is my username and the password. We are going to log in it. Now it has appeared the dashboard of our website. This is a interface. Here is my information, admin tech, and we can edit our profile, and we can log it out. Here is a sign of the WordPress, about WordPress, wordpress.org, and documentations about the WordPress, how we can export and how we can give feedback, all appeared here about. Here is our home. We can cite our visit. From this point, we have not developed much of our website yet. We will be working on it. Right now it is looking like this, but we can go back to the dashboard. Here are the updates. Here are the comments people can comment. So here is, from this point we can add new post, add new media posts that are vlogging, blogging, visuals, anything, and we can add new page, and also we can add new users for the web, like admin. We can add the users. Here we have the home and update likewise, but we don't update from this point, because if we will be updating from this point, all of our data will be vanished, because we are right now using the latest version of the WordPress. We don't update things from here. If we will be updating WordPress, our data will be vanished and disappear. So we don't update from the WordPress. We update plugins, not the WordPress. Here we have the posts. In post we can add new post. We can see all posts we already have updated. My web is new. I didn't have posted anything yet, but when we post, all of our posts appear here. We can add new ones from this point, and here we have a lot of the categories. All the categories, their names, their slugs, and the parent categories and bulk action and all of the things you can see. Here is the page of the about the category appear here, and here are the tags, the name of the tags and the slug, and all of the description and tags show here. Here we have the media. In the media library we have library, and we can use in library all of our data is saved, like visuals, blogs, vlogs, and any of the data we have stored like library. Here all media items, in this page we have all media items, all dates and bulk select, and we can add new things from this point. And here we go to the pages, and we have all the pages, and we already have added, and we can add new pages to this. All the pages we have, whatever we have is gonna appear here, what we will be publishing, and what we have drafted and not published yet will be appeared here. Here we have the bulk actions. We can edit, we can move to trash them, we can apply things, we can see all the dates, and here we have different filters. We can add new page likewise. Here are the comments people can comment, and we can see their comment. Here it is being processed. Here we have all comment. We can comment all by ourselves, pending comments, some of the comments who are being approved, and the spam comments, and we trash some of them. Likewise, this is the page for the comments. And in appearance we have themes. We can use these themes, we can edit these themes, and we can add new themes for our web. From this point we can see the editor for our tech vlog, which is the name of our web. And from this point we can install new plugins and add new ones. We shall go to the page of the plugins. Here we can add new plugins. Here all the plugins we've been using will be appear here. Here inactive and plugins will be appear because I have recently inactivated 2 of the plugins in this web which were unnecessary, and here are the update availables to the plugins, and auto updated disabled. In the bulk action we can activate them, deactivate them, update them, delete them, enable them, and disable them. I will be telling you in detail how we can search and activate any plugin and how plugins work. We can add new plugins. Here are the different plugins we can use, and from this point we can search our liked plugin and we can activate and install that, and we can use that. Here we have the users, all the users. We can add new users like admin. I am the admin of this web right now, but we can add users, and in all I have one. I am the administrator, but we can add new users. All the users, we can add new users. If required, we can put our email here, that the name of the user and his last name and the web name, and we can generate any password, and we can see notifications. And from this point we can select the role of other user. That could be a subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and administrator. Here we have the roles for the users. They can perform their role likewise. And here we have the profile, and profile disable the visual editor when writing, and for syntax, disable syntax highlighting when editing code, and here we have color scheme and keyboard shortcuts and toolbars, and we can choose the language and the name, username admin. Likewise, this is the information we've been using, and you can see this interface. In the tools, we can see a lot of tools available. We can use them. We can import tools, we can export tools, we can see the site health of our website, we can export personal data, erase personal data, we can edit our theme file, and we can use an edit plugin file editor. Here are the settings. In setting, it is the information about our website. The site name is tech blog, and the tagline, the WordPress address, the site address. Here we have email of the administrator and the membership. Anyone can register. Here we have new user default role, that was subscriber, and I already have shown you the other roles, the contributor, author, editor and administrator. And site language, which is English. Time zone, you have to choose a time zone according to the state you're working in, you are living in, because if you won't choose time according to your state, the time zone will not be managed, it will be updated. Likewise, according to the international or country or regional time. So here we have the date format, we can see and we can choose the date format however we want. Here appear the June 27 2023. Here we can choose the year first, and then the month, and then the date. Likewise, the month, the date, the year, and the date, month, year, however we want, our custom. Here we have time format. Likewise, we can choose our time format, and week start on, we can choose from any day we want. It was general. In writing, we have writing settings. I don't have developed this site much yet, but here are the writing settings. You can see and use and set your writings according to your liking. Here we have reading settings. Your latest post will appear, or you can choose any static page. Click on it, and right now I don't have any pages, but you can choose any page that will appear on the home page if you will displaying your website, and you can also see post page. Otherwise, your latest post will be appeared on the home page display. Here we have blog pages show at most. You can choose any of it, 7, 17, 10, however we want. Syndication feed show the most recent, or you can also see the items however you want. For each post in a feed include full text and excerpts. Here we have search engine visibility. Most of the people do this mistake when they develop their website. When the website is not much developed, they discourage search engine from indexing this site to the public. But when we have developed our website and it is ready for the public, we make this mistake. So we have to, firstly, after developing it, we have to choose this option. We have to encourage it to the public, and then we have to click on the save changes. Right now I didn't have developed it, so I'm gonna choose this, and then here we can see the discussion setting, default post settings. Here we have a lot of them. You can read and then decide according to your liking. Here we have our media images size. We can see their width and height, and all of these sizes, medium size, large, and thumbnail, and we can choose these things however we want. Permalinks, here we can see and we can choose how our URL gonna look like. We can choose any of that. And here is the privacy setting. You can read it and then you can create, or you can accept and then you can use this privacy and you can go to the guidance. And here we have the collapse menu, and then we have collapsed the menu and we shall go back to it, and here we have the dashboard. That was for today. I will be explaining things in deep down detail so you can use that to your liking. That was for today. Please like our video, share it and subscribe our channel.